Whether you're looking for relaxation or excitement, the Carnival Splendor has what you're looking for. In this video, you'll find out about the amazing dining options on the Carnival Splendor. I'll also dive into the exciting bars, and I'll mention a few of the activities you won't want to miss. And at the end, I'll have a couple tips for you. I'll also tell you how you can get your digital download ship guide for the Carnival Splendor. Let's start by talking about the food. Guy's Burger Joint, the place you've probably heard about even if you haven't been on Carnival. You won't want to miss Guy's Burger Joint. It's included in the price of your fare, and you can get awesome burgers like the Ringer, a cheeseburger with barbecue sauce and an onion ring. So delicious. Of course, you can also make your own burger at the toppings bar, and don't forget the delicious fries. Another included option is Pizzeria del Capitano. Any time of day, you can get a pizza made to order, fresh and hot right out of the pizza oven for you. Pizzeria del Capitano. Another included option is the Lido Marketplace Buffet. Available for all meals, you can get chicken, fish, pasta dishes, and of course, don't forget the dessert. If you don't mind paying a little extra, the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse is a specialty dining option you won't want to miss. Amazing steaks prepared just as you like them, like the ribeye. They also have lobster and surf and turf and a lot of great sides too. The service at the Carnival Steakhouses have always been awesome. You won't regret checking out Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Another option that costs just a little extra, a la carte prices at the Seafood Shack. For lunch or a snack, get some fish and chips, shrimp, peel and eat or fried, lobster rolls, and all kinds of other great seafood options at the Seafood Shack. For something creative and inventive, check out the Chef's Table. The Chef's Table will cost you a little extra, but it's a special experience where you'll see delicious cuisine prepared tableside by your Carnival Cruise chef. If you're enjoying this information, please like this video by giving us a thumbs up down below. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with the Red Frog Pub. The Red Frog Pub is an actual pub on the cruise ship. They've got draft beers, cocktails, pub food, pub games, and at night they even have live music. The Red Frog Pub, a great environment, a pub just like back home, but on your Carnival Splendor ship. Our House Sports Bar is another great option. If you love sports bars, you're going to love this sports bar. Watch the big game on the big screen TVs, get yourself a bucket of beers, sit back and enjoy the sports bar vibe. Try the Alchemy Bar for a very inventive, very creative craft cocktail experience. Craft cocktails like the Remedy, the Spicy Chipotle Martini, or the Alchemist Sidecar. A great menu, and if you tell them what you like, they'll make something special just for you. The Blue Iguana Tequila Bar is out by the pool. It's a great spot on a ship to go have the ultimate margarita or Blues Dos Equis Michelada. A lot of great drinks, and of course the beer out by the pool. And for another option, go to the Red Frog Rum Bar. The Red Frog Rum Bar is on the other side of the pool. You can get Thirsty Frog beers, Red's Rum Treasure, and frozen drinks, all out by the pool. The Grand Piano Bar is a great place to go later in the evening. Order a cocktail and join the fun as piano entertainers lead sing-alongs late into the night. Now let's talk about some of the activities on board. There's the Carnival Waterworks, a water park on a cruise ship. You can fly down the water slides, splash around and get drenched at the Carnival Waterworks. For something a little different, head inside to the Royal Flush Casino. Take your chance on Lady Luck and play table games, slots, and get free drinks while you play with Carnival Players Club. Maybe even join a slot tournament. Another great option for the adults is the Punchliner Comedy Club. You can enjoy a set from a professional comedian with no cover charge. Some shows are family friendly, some are adults only, so be sure to check the daily schedule on the Hub app for information. An option just for the adults is the Serenity Adults Only Retreat. You can enjoy stunning wake views from the upgraded lounge chairs at the back of Deck 9. A great option to relax, enjoy the view, get a suntan, read, or enjoy the pool. at Serenity Adults Only Retreat. The Cloud9 Spa is another great way to relax. You can pamper yourself with a massage, aromatherapy, a facial, and a whole menu of options. Cloud9 Spa, what a great experience. There's also the kids clubs. They've got kids clubs based on age for activities that they will enjoy. There's Camp Ocean, Circle C, and Club O2. Your kids won't want to miss out on the fun at the kids clubs. Now how about a couple tips? First, a tip for the kids. There's a Build-A-Bear workshop on the ship. Watch the Hub app for times, and you can go and you can enjoy the Build-A-Bear experience just like on land, but you can build a bear, a great unique souvenir to take home with you from your cruise. Tip number 2, enjoy a playlist production show. These stage shows are amazing. Broadway-style performances with entertaining music and dancing. You won't want to miss them. Check the Hub app for the show times from Playlist Productions. Third tip, be sure to take advantage of the room service breakfast. Just fill out the hang tag you'll find in your room, fill it out the night before, put it on your cabin door, and the next morning you'll wake up to breakfast in bed. And most items are complimentary. Fourth tip, be sure to get our Carnival Splendor digital download. It's a ship guide that tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and it even includes a bar crawl. A bar crawl that you can share with your friends as you explore the different bars on board the Carnival Splendor. You can get it through the link in the description below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. Subscribing costs nothing. It's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on our future videos. We also go live. Join our Facebook group in the description below so you don't miss out on those live shows, or subscribe with the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.